Hey guys, Andrew from Model Flight. Welcome back for another RC update video. Today we're going to bring you a bit of a close-up on a great product we've got in here from ECX. It's the Barrage UV. So this is a 1/24 scale crawler, scale licensed wheels, really scale nice shell with a functional fifth tyre and some great features. This does come in two versions, both are ready to run. The box version we have here is the FPV ready version, so everything included in the box that you need to get going, minus your FPV gear, so your camera and monitor. That leads us to our second option, which is the FPV ready version. Now this actually has a bit of a sale on at the moment, so you're saving $125 for the FPV equipped and ready to go version out of the box. What you get is the car, just like the FPV ready, you get the car, battery, charger, transmitter, but you also get a monitor and a fitted FPV camera system and video transmitter. What this means is, out of the box, you're able to use the monitor to basically see what the camera is seeing from the front of the car and pilot the car essentially from the driver's seat. We're going to do something a bit different today. We're going to jump out in the offices in the warehouse, have a bit of a drive with this, do some filming, show you some of the FPV footage that this thing can take and kind of the fun things that you can do with it. Because it is a 1/24 scale crawler, it does kind of open up your options for using it. So backyard, even in the house with obstacles you can make out of kids' books and toys, can be super fun. So we're going to get out, give this a shot and kind of show you what it's all about and how much fun the 1/24 Barrage in FPV can be.